Good morning, children. This is your social science teacher, Mrs. Jasveer Kaur. Today, here towards the last portion of your chapter number 2 of geography, I have come here and brought some important questions for you people. I have made a list of some important questions. So today I am trying to make one new practice so that I dictate the question, you have to write, like classroom practice. When you open this video, you have to take books and notebooks with you and pen and pencil and write down all the questions that I speak, I dictate today, and then you have to write their answers from textbook. And wherever you face problem, you are not able to getting any answer, next meeting you may put that question to me so that I can answer, and on our WhatsApp group you may ask, leave that WhatsApp group, we'll do it in the meeting only. Because in WhatsApp there would be hodgepodge everything. Okay, then very first question is that, note down, what is the other name for Himadri? What is the other name for Himadri? Question number 2, what is the highest peak of Himalaya? Highest peak of Himalaya. Then question number 3 is highest peak of Himalaya in India. Take care. Previous question number 2 was highest peak of Himalaya, and third question is highest peak of Himalaya in India. Then next one is some highest peaks of Himalaya. Name some of the highest peak of Himalaya. Right, there is one most. And then next question, name the important passes located in Himalaya. We have seen on map northern Himalaya के यहाँ से यहाँ तक जितने भी passes हैं. For example, Bomidala pass is there and some more is there. That you have to search from map and write down. Then next one is, where is the Himalayan range Himachal located? Himalayan range Himachal located. You have to tell that place with the direction. Then next question is, what is the average altitude and width of Himachal? What is the average altitude and width of Himachal? Width of Himachal. Then next question is, which is the outermost range of Himalaya? Which is the outermost range of Himalaya? Done. Next one is, what is the average width and altitude of Himalaya? Average width and altitude of Himalaya. Children, take one care here when you are writing such type of answers, right? To keep it in mind forever. Like I am asking you, what is the average width and altitude of Shivalik, not Himalaya, sorry, Shivalik. राइट, शिवालिक का पूछा मैंने, तो यू मे राइट विद द हेल्प ऑफ डायग्राम. Suppose this is Himalaya and it is the width and it is the height and it is the width, and it would be picturization is a very good method to memorize the things in your mind. You will never forget such type of things. Then next one question is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is the 11th question. This is the 11th question. What are duns? D-U-N-S. Keep in mind, I told you two terms. One is dune and second is duns. Dune and duns, that you have to take care. Write for both. Right? Then name some well-known duns. इनके नाम लिखने हैं कि ये कहाँ होते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल मैं आपको थोड़ा क्ल्यू दे देती हूँ. दैट इज़ इन देहरादून, जैसे लाइक दैट वन. देन नेक्स्ट वन इज विच पार्ट ऑफ हिमालयाज आर कॉल्ड पंजाब हिमालय. विच पार्ट ऑफ हिमालय इज कॉल्ड पंजाब हिमालय. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज विच आर खम्मन हिमालय. हमने डायग्राम में उसको 3 पार्ट्स में डिवाइड किया था ना, पंजाब हिमालय, खम्मन हिमालय एंड असम हिमालय. तो तीनों को आपने बताना है कि वेयर इज ऑल दीज 3 आर लोकेटेड इन 3 क्वेश्चन. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन में यू हैव टू राइट पंजाब हिमालय, सेकेंड विच आर खम्मन हिमालय एंड थर्ड इन विच पार्ट ऑफ इंडिया आर in which part of India are Assam Himalaya located. Assam Himalaya located. Then next question is which hills are called Purvanchal. And there is very important song also. एक फिल्म थी, ओल्ड फिल्म थी, पूर्व और पश्चिम. तो उसमें एक आई थिंक सॉन्ग है, पूर्वा सुहानी आई रे, पूर्वा सुहानी आई रे. दैट इज़ वेरी टिपिकल क्लासिकल प्रिवेलिंग अबाउट इंडियाज फिजिकल फीचर्स, कि किस साइड से हवा आ रही है, कैसी आ रही है. राइट, तो दैट इज़ लोकेटेड देयर. तो यू हैव टू टेल विच hills are called Purvanchal. Clue is there, it is in the easternmost side of India. Purvanchal hills in the easternmost side of India. Then the next question is 16th question. How Purvanchal or eastern hills are formed? How Purvanchal or eastern hills are formed? Then next question 16. Which three main river system helped in forming northern plains? You have to write 3 rivers that flow through the northern plains. When you see previous videos, I have mentioned all the name of these rivers, and you may take the help from your textbook also. And next question is how northern plain has become fertile plains. Very correlated question to previous question. How these northern plains are fertile plains, right? And from fertile plains there are 2 type of soils are formed. Next question आप इसी को बना लो. What are the 2 types of soil are formed in northern plains or these river basin? You will get very clear cut picture from here. So in this way I think 16 to 17 question. Okay, take one or two more questions. What is the total length and breadth of northern plains? Northern plains. Previously I gave you question for northern mountains. Now I am asking you about the northern plains. Then next question is, how are distributaries formed? और इसको थोड़ा इजी करके लिख लो. What are distributaries? What are distributaries? What are distributaries? Then next is, how Punjab plains are formed? अभी हमने पंजाब हिमालय पढ़ा था ना. Then now we have to see Punjab plains. Then there may be question, distinguish between Punjab plains and Punjab Himalayas. Punjab plains and Punjab Himalayas. Then what are Trai? What are Bhabbar? What are Trai region? What are Bhabbar? And last question is, what do you mean by Doab area? What do you mean by Doab? Doab means होता है आब. It is Punjabi word. Do mean to say two. Aab mean to say river, water. So area that lies between two rivers is known as Doab. The area that lies between two rivers, that is Doab. Okay, so that's all for today. Dear student, you have to write all these questions and their answers and try to represent your answers through small diagrams. Small diagrams according to their directions, and I guarantee you will never forget all these things. Okay, bye, take care.